I just purchased this Magnaflow catback system for my Dodge Ram, which is 6867. And we'll open it up. As I say, it was a major sale. It was a quarter of the price they were originally asking. So obviously damage, but I've been told everything is there. So we'll go and see. Take those staples off and we'll see. Alright, so here's why. One of the reasons why was this price. But still, that's not big of a deal. See if it doesn't work. Sounds good. And the rest of the pipe. And we need to make sure that everything is in ready to install order. They took the time to put the logo on the tip. Look at this. Fudge, man. So everything seems to be no damage. I got the SLT edition, okay? Right there. And I do not have any factory dual pipes. This is gonna be really fun to see how it goes. But that sounds like probably some holes will have to happen. So what's the rest of the hardware? Got 5 clamps. That's it. Instructions and warnings. Only 1 sheet. So what would be the difference between before and after? Unfortunately, I couldn't get the camera down there because I was really afraid that we would have so much fun between us underneath the truck. Instead, let's go see what you'll need. All right, for the removal. So you'll need your glasses, your safety glasses, the creeper, some sort of light. Unfortunately, I had to take the jack and just jack it a bit to help me out. Gain a bit of space. You'll need a few hammers, probably a rubber if you don't want to. I really wanted to keep my system just in case for, you know, plan B. So the rubber to the Rebel hammer to get some of the rubbers and to hit on the muffler. I did use the steel one. You'll need adjustable pines, screwdriver, earmuff, torch to cut the clamps, because here in Canada we have that winter that we kind of spread like 1 ton of salt per few meters or feet, and it's really bad and corrodes everything. And you will need these guys probably. So a bit of heat. Once you cut the clamps, a bit of heat. Just get it red all around. That's it. And then play. When you take all your supports out, you'll be able to play a bit of wiggle it out with the heat applied. It's going to be easier to get it to expand and get it out. So get the last part first out, then you'll have more ease to get these out. So I'll have to take these out, reinstall underneath the truck, because I need to reuse it. I did cut in front and get it out. So you see, like it's just a bit flared out, and that's it. It took me about, I want to say, an hour to go underneath, get the job, go see the job, try a bit, and then get the tools and the shop. But those torch, it's a must in the shop. Let's go have a look. P4. So you got the pipe right here. So everything is empty to the back. Now we'll go assemble. You don't see it with the light. The grommets, don't install them, or just install them on the tip of the bracket, because you won't be able to. I thought probably to leave it on the frame would be alright. Don't. Or just install them on the tip, and then you'll be able to slide the earpiece or the bracket of the muffler to slide it on. Other than that, it's you can't. It's too rigid. The rubber won't flex that much. You won't be able to put it in there. Alright, this is what I thought is gonna happen, and I'll have to cut through the bumper. I'm kind of right on the bumper right here, and we're just missing just a bit underneath it. So that looks like a nice edge. Really happy about it, and this will reinforce what I've taken out. It seems more solid now. It was a bit more flimsy earlier, but now that we set it all up in height and width, we're gonna go and tighten it up. Alright, so now what we just need to do is connect our battery, and the final stage. So without delay, we'll just do the startup and hear the results. And from this, we don't start the engine. Why not? Number 2. What the hell is going on? Here we go. So, for some reason, it doesn't want to start. So you know what? We'll have to do it manually. We're gonna miss the startup, but how's the noise for in the cabin? When it's warm up, you don't see much. You can hear that there's that growl in the back, but nothing to really get attention, and especially on the inside of the cabin. It's all right. You can talk, absolutely no problem. So now we'll go for a test drive on the road. Yeah. You can notice there's a difference. You can talk inside, no problem. But probably pulling a trailer will be a different story. So we're gonna do one with a bit more aggressiveness. That's the train track, and then we'll give it a bit more. Sounds alright. Kinda like that sound. Oh yeah, we can smell it. It smells a bit of burnt, so the pipes are kind of cooking and warming up. Whew, that stinks a bit. So we'll do like one push of a pedal to see on the outside how it sounds good just on no load. That sounds mean. A bit too loud maybe, but it's installed. It's too late, so I hope you enjoy it. If hopefully you can take advantage of this video, and till the next project, take care.